Mary wants to debug the uncompressed version of the XSP client dojo.js. Which action can she perform in order to do this? Option A. Set the Use Dojo Layer Libraries option in the XSP Properties Editor. Option B. Set the User Runtime Optimized JavaScript and Dojo option in the XSP Properties Editor. Option C. Set the Use Uncompressed Resource Files, CSS and Dojo option in the X Properties Editor. Option D. Uncompress the XSP client dojo.js file manually and upload it to IBM Domino JS library. The correct answer is option C. What are two ways Ollie can identify which of his applications are not assigned to a working set? Choose two. Option A. Open bookmarks.nsf and look in the working sets /none view. Option B. In the Applications view, in the Manage Working Sets menu, select All. Option C. In the Applications view, in the Manage Working Sets menu, select None. Option D. In Quick Links tab of the home page, click on the Applications Not in Working Set option. Option E. In the Applications view, in the Manage Working Sets menu, select Applications Not in Working Set. The correct answer is option D, E. What happens when a variable changes value when stepping through the server-side JavaScript debugger? Option A. The variable in the Source Code tab flashes on and off. Option B. The variable in the source code is highlighted in yellow. Option C. In the Source tab, the variable and the value are highlighted in yellow and the variable's blue diamond has a red triangle added. Option D. In the Variables tab, the variable and the value are highlighted in yellow and the variable's blue diamond has a red triangle added. The correct answer is option D. Harry would like to debug the Dojo JavaScript files added to a next page, but when he does examine the JavaScript code, it is not readable. What would he need to do to debug the Dojo JavaScript code? Option A. Use the new server-side JavaScript debugger. Option B. Go to the Dojo site and download the uncompressed Dojo files. Option C. Turn on the Use JavaScript when generating pages option in the Application Properties. Option D. Check the box next to the Use Uncompressed Resource Files, CSS and Dojo, in the XSP Properties. The correct answer is option D.